Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. Tick-tock time in playful chase. Join the mouse in merry race. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, and down he run. Hickory Dickory Dock, chimes ring out in wooden tower. Mouse scurries fast with tiny power. Whiskers twitch at every beat. Seconds dance on pattering feet. Tick-tock, hickory-dickory, mouse and clock in symphony. Up and down through chime and chime, fun in every tick of time. At 2 o'clock, a bolder leap. Mouse explores the pendulum sweep. Gears grind soft in hidden maze. Secrets of the ticking days. 3 strikes bold, he hides away in shadows deep till light of day. Cheese crumb trail leads back to nest, safely tucked at perfect rest. Tick-tock, hickory-dickory, mouse and clock in symphony. Up and down through chime and chime, fun in every tick of time. 4 chimes call for moonlit play. Mouse dances wild in silver rain. Hands spin round like friends in spin, counting adventures yet to begin. 5 o'clock brings sleepy on. Mouse curls up till golden dawn. Dreams of clocks in endless run, chasing hours, oh what fun. Tick-tock, hickory-dickory, mouse and clock in symphony. Up and down through chime and chime, fun in every tick of time. 6 strikes wake the bustling house. Mouse peeks out, quiet as a mouse. Breakfast smells waft through the air, tempting treats beyond compare. 7 bells for evening tale. Mouse listens to the nightingale. Stars align in clockwork sky, wonders vast as time flies by. Tick-tock, hickory-dickory, mouse and clock in symphony. Up and down through chime and chime, fun in every tick of time. 8 chimes echo bold and free. Mouse races friends in jamboree. Laughter rings in measured beat. Timeless joy, oh so sweet. 12 at last, the day complete. Mouse waves by from clock's retreat. Hickory-dickory night so still, till tomorrow's tick, what a thrill. Tick-tock, hickory-dickory, mouse and clock in symphony.